initiative of FSSA? Options: Ranveer, Ayushman, Rajkumar Rao, none of the above. Answer is option 3, Rajkumar Rao. Brand ambassador of Eat Right movement is Rajkumar Rao. Next question. Tofu is a processed product of. Tofu is a processed product of. Options: kidney bean, navy bean, broad bean, soya bean. Correct answer option D. Tofu is a processed product of soya bean. Tofu is white and paneer-like food product. Next question. Consider the following statements. First statement, soya bean contains 40% of protein and 20% of fat. Second statement, the quality of protein is poor because of the presence of trypsin inhibitor. Options are statement A is correct and B is wrong. Next, statement A is correct and B is also correct. C, statement A and B are correct. D, statement A and B are wrong. Answer is option C, statement A and B are correct. Means soya bean contains 40% of protein and 20% of fat, and the quality of the protein in soya bean is poor because of the presence of trypsin inhibitor. So in soya bean, trypsin inhibitor is contained. Next question, decomposition of carbohydrates by microorganisms or enzymes is called as. Options: putrefaction, fermentation, canning, dextrinization. Correct answer option B, fermentation. Decomposition of carbohydrates by microorganisms or enzymes is called as fermentation. Next question, diethyl pyrrocarbonate is used as a preservative for. Option: spices, fruit juices, nuts, vegetables. Correct answer option B, fruit juices. Diethyl pyrrocarbonate is used as a preservative for fruit juices. Next question, freeze crack is seen when foods are frozen by. Options: air freezing, contact freezing, immersion freezing, cryogenic freezing. Correct answer option D, cryogenic freezing. Freeze crack is seen when foods are frozen by cryogenic freezing. Next question, the best way of cooking to maintain antioxidant is. Options: steaming, boiling, microwave, all the above. Correct answer option A, steaming. Steaming is the best way of cooking to maintain antioxidants. Next question, Hurdle technology used in. Options: wheat milling, ketchup preservation, oil extraction, all of the above. Correct answer option B, ketchup preservation. Hurdle technology is used in ketchup preservation. Next question, Pascalization is another word for. Options: Hurdle technology, irradiation, high pressure processing, food fortification. Correct answer option C, high pressure processing. Pascalization is another word for high pressure processing. Next question, excessive intake of polished rice causes deficiency of. Options: vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin D, vitamin K. Correct answer option B, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is known as thiamine. Unpolished rice is the best source of vitamin B1. So excessive intake of polished rice causes deficiency of vitamin B1. Next question, deterioration of fat in the presence of oxygen is due to the enzyme. Options: lipase, protease, lipooxygenase, peptidase. Correct answer option C, lipooxygenase. Deterioration of fat in the presence of oxygen is due to the enzyme lipooxygenase. Next question, what is the TSS of fruit syrup? Options: 20%, 45%, 65%, 80%. Correct answer option C, 65%. TSS of fruit syrup is 65%. Last question, which of the following methods is employed for disposal of sludge that is contaminated with heavy metals heavily? Options: incineration, drying, landfilling, composting. Answer option D, composting. Composting is the method for the disposal of sludge that is contaminated with the heavy metals. In this video, we discussed about most important food technology questions. If you liked my video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.